You know what we found in the back? Two bird nests. Nests. That's hard to say with no teeth. Two bird nests. And I thought I'd show them to you. So here you go.
Dirty homeless scrub, dirty homeless scrub, nightly hell or a dirty homeless scrub, dirty homeless scrub, dirty homeless scrub, life in hell for this dirty homeless scrub, dirty homeless scrub, dirty homeless scrub, life is hell for a dirty scrub.
If you look real careful, right here by the gutter, that's a bird's nest, and there's a bird in it right now. Sorry, I'm shaky. That is so cool. Looks like she's sitting on eggs.
Oh yeah, she's sitting on her eggs.
And then over here, right there, is another one. Oh, it just flew out! It just flew away! If we look right here, where is it? See the bird? In its nest? Oh, let me zoom back out. I don't want to get too close because last time it flew away, but I'm trying to get the right angle. In its nest. Oh, I hate zoom. It's the birdie. Oh, I'm sorry. See, it took off again. But now, this one over here, just chilling. Okay, so it's been about 2 weeks, and now there's little birdies in that nest. Little birdies. I don't want to get too close, but they're there. There's like 4 of them or something in there. Now, I wonder, what about that one over there? Well, there's the nest. But I don't see... Maybe the bird got scared of us. Maybe I should stand right here and try to look in. No, to stop. Oh, there's eggs. No, that's not eggs. Never mind. I can't see into it. It's tilted that way. Smart bird. They certainly did get big. Holy cow. I don't know why the lighting's not too good.
Well, it's the sun. There is none.
But yeah, wow. They did get big.
I know.
That's quick too. Like